Okay, here's the Rockwood mini Lite. It's got the good 60-pound storage of propane. Good storage throughout the whole camper, going all the way through. There's your gas grill that goes on that little table that comes off. It's got the high-end windows. It's a Rockwood 2104S. It's got a full-length awning, which is a great feature. Here's your outdoor shower along with all your hookups. Good amount of storage. That's your U-shaped dinette. And here's the other side of the storage. It goes all the way through. Okay. It's got a really open floor plan for a little camper. A large U-shaped dinette that converts into a bed. It has the full refrigerator. A lot of pantry space. It's got the microwave, a very large oven, very large stovetop also. There's your TV. And this is the Murphy bed. This really is one of the nicest Murphy beds I've seen. The mattress is great. It's good size, good and sturdy when it comes down. It has the headboard, storage on either side, your charging station, a drawer along with, you know, a place to whatever you need. And a very nice large bathroom with a very large corner shower. Great storage in this camper. With the double sink.